In this video, we will see how to use ChatGPT in the Figma using plugin setup. So guys, if you want to use ChatGPT in the Figma, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, you simply open the figma.com in your computer. When you open your Figma, guys, go here for design. Okay, create draft. Okay, after this, here guys, you see the option of actions. Okay, so you simply click on it, and in the search icon, before searching, please choose this option plugin and widgets. After choosing, simply search the chat gpt. Now you see there is a one first simple chat gpt plugins. Ask ChatGPT to generate any text directly in the Figma, so you use this one. Okay, here you see there is also other plugins, so you use, but here you see 15.7k user of this and 103 likes, so it is most liked. And here you simply run. When it load, so it look like this. If you want to resize, just go and change its location, and I think there is no option for resizing, but here you simply search hi. So you simply search and hit, so it start. Ask ChatGPT to rewrite the translate some selected whatever you want to search, so you just simply search. Okay, so this is a simple way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.